In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in Canva. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account. A free account works perfectly for this project. Once you're in, you'll land on the Canva homepage with a search bar front and center. Type menu or restaurant menu into the search bar. You'll see a wide library of ready-made templates designed for restaurants, cafes, weddings, coffee shops, and events. Take a moment to browse. Look for a style and layout that fits your brand's vibe: minimal and modern, rustic and cozy, or bold and colorful. You can click any template thumbnail to preview the pages and the general structure. When you find a design you like, click it, then hit Customize to open it in the Canva editor. Before you dive in, glance at the size and orientation to make sure it suits your needs, whether it's a single-page menu for print or a digital version to share online. Now, replace the placeholder text with your own information. Click into each text box and enter your menu item names, short descriptions, and prices. Keep things organized by grouping items into clear sections like appetizers, mains, drinks, and desserts. Consistency is key. Use the same formatting for prices. Keep descriptions concise, and make section headings stand out so guests can scan quickly. If your menu is extensive, consider breaking it into multiple pages within the same document for a cleaner look. If you'd like to include visuals, go to Uploads on the left panel, then select Upload Files to bring in your photos. Drag images onto the canvas and position them near related items. High-quality photos can make dishes look irresistible, but if you don't have photography, simple icons or illustrations work well and keep the design clean. Keep image sizes consistent and avoid cluttering the page. Next, style the design to match your brand. Change fonts and colors from the top toolbar, aiming for strong contrast and easy readability. Pair a bold font for headings with a clean body font for descriptions. Adjust spacing, alignment, and section placement by dragging elements or adding new text blocks. Use guides and margins to keep everything balanced, and make sure nothing important sits too close to the edges. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to save and share. Click Download to choose your format: PDF print for professional printing, or PNG JPG for digital use. For print, select high quality and add bleed if your design runs to the edge. You can also use the share button to send a view-only link for feedback. Give everything a final proofread, save your file, and you're done. Your custom Canva menu is ready to impress.